I'm in the town of Huskvarna walking to see the company Husqvarna's museum, and I just came across this plaque. So Huskvarna, I guess, is Old Norse for a fortified mill, so a mill that's like a castle. And so this is likely the location where that first mill was. This one was built in the 1840s and then burnt down, I think, in the 1940s. But it's on the site of something much older, which probably goes back to the 1300s. I'm checking out this hiking trail that goes around the Huskvarna factory, and there's been a factory here since 1620. The Swedish government put the factory here to take advantage of the waterfall. So there was a mill, and that mill was able to power drills, so they could drill out the center of barrels to make guns. And so for the first couple hundred years, they really just made guns. And then it was in the 1860s, I believe, they started making sewing machines. And they just continually added products. Everything I've ever owned from Husqvarna was really good quality, so that's why I want to come check it out. It's unusual to find a company that's so good at making everything. Yeah, walking across this aluminum bridge, it's really not as sturdy feeling as you wish it would be. It's the best way to check out what's running underneath me right now is what remains of the waterfall, and that's the reason Husqvarna is here. It was named for the mill that got its power from this water, but now that water all is diverted through this big pipe up here. This is a big museum. There's really something here for everybody. If you're interested in chainsaws or motorcycles, sewing machines or guns, they've produced everything over the last 400 years they've been around. In the late 1800s, Husqvarna was making their civilian shotgun barrels out of Damascus steel, and you can see it in all these examples. It's amazing. This company has been part of the manufacturing history of so many products. If you're interested in mowers, you can see the whole history, development of mowers from 100 years ago all the way through modern solar robots. They've sold over 1 million of those. When you're here, you see just how vast it is of all the different products that they have produced. Like you have meat grinders, irons, stoves, washing machines. Over here we have early outboard boat motors, and then in this room all the sewing machines, which they've been building those since 1872. Well, that was a great museum. They really have something there for everybody. You can learn about the history of so many different things there.